The orca turn on their side so that their dorsal fin doesn't break the surface and reveal their presence. The orca bide their time. Their best chance is to find a seal asleep in the water, like this one. It wakes up and flees, but there's a pup here too. The orca takes its catch out into open water and there shows younger members of the pod how to drown it. The whole group now share the catch. Nothing will be wasted.